Soilution. Energy from the soil. Soilution is the first flower pot desk lamp powered by the soil. It does not require electric wires and plugs. It can generate electric current directly from your pot. The power is generated based on the microbial fuel cell technology that produce electric current directly from the activity of the bacteria living in the soil. Soilution is composed of two communicating parts: the main pot, where you put the plants, and the energy generator. Inside the pot, there's an energy generator based on microbial fuel cells technology to collects the energy derived from the metabolism of this microbes living in the soil, in the form of electrons, puts them in a circuit and produces electric current. The maintenance of soilution is very simple. You have simply to take care of the plants, and the generator will produce energy as the microbial fuel cells are fueled by the water and organic material that filter from the soil of the plant. Keep the plants happy and you will have your light. Hexagonum Sensor Table, by Dashing Axe. The long-awaited, Unusual Beauty, touch-sensitive table has been finally released on Kickstarter. You're going to enjoy every touch of this table.